Welcome to the tropical Queensland, the land of the oldest rainforest in the world, with the wild creatures. After Sydney, we finally fly to this fantastic land. You know, if you are in January in Australia, expect some sun, beaches, summer. And now we are in one of the famous cities for
Tropical North.
Yeah, Tropical North. We are in Cairns now to see some great barrier reef if we could, because it has been raining 4 weeks. We knew it, but still, it's raining. Okay, the rain stopped a bit, but I don't complain anymore because our place is just by the beach. We have to show you this house. Actually, we booked a room, only a room, but because they ran out of room, so they gave us a whole apartment with kitchen stuff. I'll show you. You walk in the door, then it's toilet, bathroom, really clean there. They go inside, another separate bedroom with very designed beddings and stuff. And here's a living room with a kitchen, sofa, TV. Especially this room is good. It has an ocean view. Can I open this? Ah, no. We have a small balcony with ocean view. Oh, finally we can relax a bit. Who got lucky today? We. So where we are now, here is where we landed, Cairns, and here is the Great Barrier Reef, and we go a bit north to here. Pump Cove is where we are now. Here is a beach-fronted village or city, town. What is it? I think we need a few days real holidays to just relax, read, work, and then after we refuel our energy, we're gonna dive. Where is food? Where's the food? We're literally starving, so now get out to find some food to eat. Just eat fast and rest and work a bit and call it a day.
It smells bad, your food.
Yes.
What it smells?
I don't know, they put some sauce.
It smells bad, no?
Good morning to a new day, and let's have a check of this sign. So basically they say in this area they might have the jellyfish, the dangerous one, and they might have crocodiles. That's a good morning starter.
This one we can swim, the flags.
So you need to swim between the flags.
Yeah.
These are the flags. You could swim between here. It's actually a very small area. There are a few people inside. Oh my god. So today's stinger risk is extremely high. I actually just saw some trucks cleaning the jellyfish or whatever on the beach. So there's zero person on the beach. And they mark it especially, you need to swim between the flags. So let's see what we're going to do. It's not oversaying it, it's not a joke. It's not a joke. It's more serious than what we thought, actually, the stingers. So today the risk is high. So what they have been telling us, there are signs everywhere, is swim between the flags. Between the flags, if you really want to swim. Do that.
You really want to swim?
No, today no. A good thing we have a swimming pool on top of the hotel. Just like 10 minutes later, it has been raining again. It's okay, because today we're gonna keep it simple, easy and relaxed. We have a lot of work to do, so we'll basically stay home, chill out and do some work. Ready? Hey, something is new here. We rent a car. It was super smooth actually, the process. So both of us could drive. We just need to get used to this left right situation, and it's always the first time you drove on the...
Yep.
Yeah, so let's see. Today we rent a car because we want to head the north. So now we are in this small village town called Palm Cove. We are going to the north, so it's quite a driving, maybe back and forth 5 hours or something. So it's a road trip day. Ready for the drive.
We turn left.
We turn left. Yes. Okay, now we reach a point we need to cross the river with the car. So we're gonna take a ferry.
And tomorrow we take a cruise here to see crocodiles.
On this river?
Yeah, it's the same river, just a bit further up.
Okay, so today only crossing, boring. Tomorrow crocodiles.
Yeah, there is a boat too, you see it?
Our boat is here. Got on the boat. We were crossed. That was fast.
Yes.
Okay, so now another 47 minutes we are there. 35 kilometers.
Yep. So there's the river going to the sea.
Yeah. It's just raining a bit. Got here. Cape Tribulation. Walking into the jungle. It's a real jungle. Actually, they write that there will be all kinds of wild animals inside, and the one we really want to see is called Cassowary, which is like a bird. So we really want to see it, but we should also be mindful they're not dangerous. Whoa, it's jungle beside the beach.
Has orange feet.
Has a red head also. Have you seen tree grow from the beach? Yeah.
Okay. Who's the photographer? Is it nice?
Super nice. Look at this leaf. It's huge.
And there are lots of birds on the leaves. Well, like small ones. So this is a fig tree. Goes around a normal support tree. Eventually the support tree dies and the fig tree survives. Super weird. But now they're still young.
Okay, we have walked inside maybe half an hour? 1 hour?
1 hour.
But we have seen the same group twice or 3 times. We were a bit worried, we got lost. And they don't have exactly the sign for you to guide you outside to the parking. So now we hope we find the right way. Okay, we did. We did it. Navigation was good.
I navigated.
At certain point it was tricky, okay?
Not really. Price also?
Sneaky. What are you eating? Tell me, what are these? Kangaroo burger? Crocodile burger? Emu burger. So are you going to eat the kangaroo and the crocodile?
How about you?
Kangaroo and crocodile. Yeah. You first. How is it?
No.
What taste?
Chicken?
Chicken.
Life up.
Kangaroo. When you walk in jungle, you see all these weird trees, animals and plants. You really feel how teeny tiny human is, yet so arrogant. It's totally empty inside. So it's several trees combined together somehow. These are the roots of these 2 big trees. Continues. Here are all roots. It's a bit like Stranger Things. Scary. is our third jungle walk, rainforest walk today, but we are feeling okay. How many kilometers we walked?
Today 8.
8, but we are totally fine. So exercise worked. It's gonna be a funny day. You're gonna see a lot of animals. We are at this world habitat. So basically we come to this kind of zoo area to see all the special animals in Australia, like koala or kangaroo or all kinds of small birds, especially koala. Hello. The birds are just everywhere. Look, black swan. It's a black swan.
Yeah.
It's cute. Makes sound. Whoa, look there, baby. All kinds of birds there. You see?
Yeah. But look.
You're checking the camera. Yeah? Little koala. It's sleeping, no?
Yeah.
But it sleep all day, no?
I guess so.
He doesn't move at all. And he woke up. Little koala? Maybe it sleep inside the tree. We think koala has a nice life because since we came, I don't think they move. They just sleep on the tree. Probably they sleep all day. Nice. Hey buddy, what are you? His pink legs. Do you see his legs? Look at what I found this little one. Are you kissing or something? Yeah, you are. Oh, funny. A black parrot. It's a bit depressed. Maybe you want to go closer?
Yeah, I said you.
There's another one there.
To get his food. Now this behaviour is a very normal one for a crocodile. They use this technique to catch low-flying bats and birds over the water. So it's very...
You want to try food, baby? Maybe he'll come.
Good night, puppy.
Do you see how many there are? But they're napping. What are you doing?
Wildlife habitat. What do you think? It was a bit too pricey, I think, for what it was. Not super well maintained.
Yeah, we saw animals, but somehow it's a bit like here and there,
And zoos generally are not the best.
it needs some taking care.
And this was not like a good zoo. Some other place nearby to see koalas and stuff.
Yeah, or wild ones.
Now we head to the crocs.
Yes.
Crocodile cruise.
Okay, now we made it to the Dantry Cruise River Center. So we're gonna take a cruise and see crocodiles in the wild. A lot of crocodiles, I suppose.
Nice.
You
Yeah,
think?
I think we'll see crocs.
Will they eat us?
No, never.
Having a closer look at them. We'll look for other wildlife too. With the rain that we've had, it's lowered the temperature of the water, so we're having to... There you go, folks, the terrifying crocodiles of the Daintree. Yeah, I know they look a lot bigger in the brochure. When you see the size of the wildebeest and the first day that they hatch from the egg, they never stepped on the soil. When they hatch the yolk of the egg part of their stomach, they feed off the yolk into strings. They're like rabies, we'll put them really often. So that's what it feels like here.
It's quite big.
Well, I reckon if you can go 10 minutes with a crocodile, you might survive. Stays with her for up to 4 hours. But the lump that you see behind her eyes there is bone. That can pick up low frequency vibrations in the water up to a kilometre away. 30 feet will not stop. It takes 3 years for their new tooth to develop. So the next mating season, when they're still small and white, is going to grow up a bit. 3 islands, got a top island.
All the black dots are pets. Oh my god. Just finished the tour. Actually, this is a good one, really worth it.
Worth it.
We saw 2 baby crocodiles in the wild and 1 big one, quite big. They say they can kill
2 meters?
you. Yeah, it can kill you.
But actually kill 1 to 2 people per year or less.
Yeah, but still they say if you
Super little.
swim in that river, you wouldn't make it.
There are 200 to 300 in 40 kilometers of river.
Yeah, so luckily we were in a boat. It was a really nice ride. Why? Finally. Try to lock me out.
It's quite hot, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're in the post office and the guy walks in and he says like they saw a 4-meter crocodile
On the
where
river.
the kids go to
Swim
kind
class.
of swim for the class.
That's your daily story.
And everyone was like, yeah, it happens.
The other day I saw the other one. Is it the same
With
one?
a turtle in his mouth.
Yeah.
And so there's no wonder when they're at school here, look at the right. Yeah, they need to be safe. To all be back.
Safe. Be safe. We can. We arrived yesterday and checked in the hotel. Basically didn't do a lot, just took a walk around the city. Here mainly to do our dive tour starting tomorrow morning. We really need to wake up very early to catch the boat, and then we are heading to
Red Barrier Reef.
Canton's a nice small city. It's weird they have a fake beach, basically a swimming pool with some sand beach in front of the beach because it's stinger season, so nobody swim in the sea. They actually swim here with their kids and stuff, much more safer. Even that, they have a safeguard there, the red one. So we are heading to the night market, take some food and basically prepare for the dive tour tomorrow. It's a big thing. We are really excited for the Great Barrier Reef. That's the reason we come to Kent. So I'm closing this vlog for now. Take care. See you next week. Bye.